Hello everyone, it's Josh from Gist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email signature and upload that to a Gist custom email template. We're also going to go over how you can create full custom templates as well. But first things first, we need to create our email signature. There are a number of email signature generators online. You can quickly search on a search engine and find one, but I've actually use this one. It's LeadFuse's, leadfuse.com email signature generator. And it's fairly straightforward. Most of them work the same. So it's just based on whichever one you think is best for you. So I'm just going to enter these fields really quick. It's very simple. First name, last name, job title, company name. And then I'm just going to put a fake number in there to show you how that looks. And then just 1, 2, 3, 4, Gist Drive, just a fake email address. Okay, and then you put your website, and then you would enter the email, or you can not enter any of this stuff. Now down here, you're going to see a logo, photo, avatar, image URL. You can upload it to Dropbox, or you can actually take any media off of your WordPress site and you can just put it right there. I just took one off of our WordPress backend, and that's the address that it lives at. And you can see that everything that I've done shows up here. And there are actually, with LeadFuse's email generator, you can do additional things, like you can add your Facebook profile, your Twitter. You can actually add a number of different things. Google Play Store if you're an app like we are, YouTube, Pinterest, GitHub, those kind of things, even your Skype. And then you can even add custom fields down here. You can change your style. I'm just going to leave it like it is for now for brevity's sake. Then there's a call to action. So you can have a button or an image. And if you choose image, you would have to upload that image as well. I'm just going to choose button. And I'm going to choose the button text, book a call. And you can see that it's italicized and bold, but you can just change it. I'll just do bold text, and you can of course change the color if you'd like. I'll just leave it at that sort of bright orange. And then you would put your link. So if you use Gist Meeting Scheduler, you can put your Gist meeting link right there as the call to action link. Now you can copy this and paste it directly into Gmail if you're using that, but if you're using Gist and you want to put the same signature everyone, you're going to want to grab the HTML. So you just click that button and it says it was successfully copied. And in the next step, we'll go into Gist and upload it. Once you have your email signature the way you would like it, go ahead, remember to copy that HTML from your email signature generator and log into Gist. From there, you want to go to Settings, and on the left-hand sidebar under Marketing, you'll see Custom Email Templates. Click that. Once you're on the screen, you'll see that you have the option to set a default template, to change the language, or create a new template. We're going to go ahead and create a new template. Once you get to the template page, it's important to name it. You will not be able to save your template until you give it a name. Then you'll see some HTML. Don't get worried by this. What you need to do is find the body tag, and then you'll find the end body tag as well. What you can do is you can actually paste the HTML from your email signature generator in here, just like this. And you see, now that the signature shows up, we have our template. But before you save and finish, you're going to want to add the ability to add content to your email. So you're going to highlight the body tag, hit enter, and then do 2 braces, which is just a squiggly brace. Type the word content, and then end it with 2 squiggly braces. This tells the template where you would like to put the body of your email, which you'll see in just a second. Now that I'm finished, I'm just going to save, and that template is now in our templates. So then I'm going to go to email. Just going to create a new broadcast, and I'm just going to type in signature email just to give it a little test. And your templates are going to live here under the custom. And this is the one that we just created, so we're going to click enter. We're going to continue, and there it is. And you notice you don't see the squiggly lines with content. So what you can do is click over here, hit enter, and then you can put your email content right here. And that is how you add a signature custom email template. If you were looking to create original, highly graphic HTML email templates, there are several options. You can search for HTML email generator in your favorite search engine, and usually something that's easy to use will come up. One of the ones that I found myself using, I don't know them, I'm not endorsing them, but it's befree.io, and these are free email templates that you can actually use for a single use, and you can create any of these templates. Now keep in mind that you will have to upload your own images. Then again, that could be from Dropbox or from WordPress in order to get them to work with Gist. Or you can actually create it all from scratch using their template generator. This is a great option if you want to play around with visual emails, like for e-commerce, or say if you have a promotion that's going to be running for a long time, like you had a new book come out or something like that. But we will have some more email template tutorials in the future, but for now, this is just an option to get you started.